I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. As you can tell by that title, today's video is going to be on this bomb wig. This video is sponsored by Wet Kiss Hair, so a big thank you to Wet Kiss for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are interested in seeing me install this unit and style it, make sure you stay tuned.
Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really get me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, we need to tie this rope. Before we drift any deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to rock change positions.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock on
that is it for today's video. I know that I had a different hairstyle a couple seconds ago, but I changed it and just did a side part. Nothing else was done. Edges are still the same. I just did a side part. So this is what it looks like. And y'all, I want to boast about this hair because this hair is so bomb. It's really, really, really thick. I'm not sure of the density, but you guys know all the information will be down in the details below. It's very, very thick hair. Like, ends are like crazy full. Like, I'm excited to wear this hair. And yeah, I actually slept in this wig, and you guys know I don't sleep in my wig, so this wig is literally bomb. It's probably my new favorite. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about this wig, make sure you leave them down below, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Hit that post notification button so you're notified every time your girl uploads a new video. Big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.
Outside in an AMG, right outside.